Today I am talking about Miami, Florida, which is known for its beautiful beaches, especially the Southern Beach, also known as South Beach. It's the most amazing destination for tourists. How is this beach one of the most famous places? You will see in this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon before watching. South Beach, also known as SoBe, is one of Miami's most iconic locations. Known for its lively atmosphere, beautiful sandy beaches, and distinctive Art Deco architecture, South Beach is a barrier island located at the southern tip of Miami Beach and connected to mainland Miami by a bridge. This beach is famous for its wide, soft white sand, making it a perfect place for sunbathing, beach sports, and relaxation. One amazing thing here is that the Atlantic Ocean circles the coast of South Beach, and the water is often clear and turquoise. The South Beach area is home to the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture. The pastel-colored buildings along Ocean Drive and Collins Avenue give the area a unique retro charm. South Beach has a pedestrian promenade and a separate bike path, offering a scenic route for walking, jogging, and biking along the ocean. Well, guys, South Beach is a dynamic and diverse destination that attracts tourists, locals, and celebrities alike. Whether you're interested in sunbathing, water sports, or exploring the vibrant nightlife, South Beach has something for everyone. So if you visit here, tell us about your experience in the comments box. Thanks for watching.